there is an award-winning, luxurious freehold development in District 10 that will be TOP in April 2022.
Yes, that means you can buy a new condo and collect keys almost immediately.
Sloane Residences is an exclusive condo with only 52 units that consists of premium 2, 3 and 4 bedroom units. Sloane Residences received multiple awards such as Best Boutique Condo Development, Best Boutique Landscape Architectural Design, Best Boutique Condo Interior Design.
Today, we are going to show you on-site in the neighborhood to have a sense of how it feels like to live in this prime, luxurious location. Sloane Residences is a freehold development which is in close proximity to both Newton and even MRT station. Newton MRT station, which is only 700 meters away from Sloane Residences, is also the MRT interchange for the North-South line and the Downtown line.
Located at the junction of Scotts Road and Bukit Timah Road near Newton Circus where the popular Newton Food Centre is. Stephen MRT station, which is 1.3 kilometers walk away from Sloane Residences. By 2022, Stephen Station will be an interchange station with the Thomson East Coast Line.
Sloane Residences is located in the vicinity of schools such as ACS Primary, Singapore Chinese Girls' School. Both ACS and SCGS are within 1 kilometer from Sloane Residences.
Balmoral Plaza, which is only a short 5 minutes walk away from Sloane Residences, provides lots of amenities such as NTUC Finest, dental and TCM clinics, convenience shop, eateries, educational centres that provides both tuition and enrichment courses. Everyone knows that Balmoral Road is one of the most desired residential enclave as it is only 3 minutes drive to Orchard Shopping Belt and 6 minutes drive to the CBD. Even the popular dining at Dempsey is only a mere 8 minutes drive away.
As you enter the development, at the arrival court, you will be greeted by the Cascading Walk and open lawn. There is also an indoor gym, cabana, picnic lawn, dog run, rest pavilion, barbecue area and children's playground on level 1. More facilities can be found on level 4 such as the kid pool, lap pool, jacuzzi, function pavilion, dining pavilion, pool garden and a hammock grove. Call any of our OrangeTee and Thai agent for a presentation now.